Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with the nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat and Nail Polish. These are available at Walmart in a couple of different colors. I picked Pretty Piggy. I can't wait to try it on my nails, so why don't we get started by painting it on. And here is a closer look at the box. I really like how the packaging is two different colors. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors and I'm just going to open the top. The flap is very easy just to unflap. And I'm going to go ahead and take the two out. Here is the top coat. Now even though this is kind of marketed towards it's like gel nail polish and gel top coat, it is not. It's just normal nail polish and it is normal top coat. You don't need to cure it with a light at all. It just dries normally. And here's the color. It is named Pretty Piggy and I love that name. I think it is so cute. And it's a very corally like pink in the bottle, so I'm excited to put it on our nails. Alright, we got the color, we got the top coat, so let's put it on our nails. Now, my nails are already prepped and ready to go, and I already applied my base coat, so let's go ahead and go right into painting the color on. Now, the Miracle Gel nail polish line that Sally Hansen all have the wide flat brush, which I love. I think this brush is so perfect to get that perfect cuticle line. You know what if you're painting your nails with a wide flat brush, you know what I'm talking about. It's just perfect to get that cuticle line, and this brush had it, and I was so happy. The formula to this nail polish was very nice, very self-leveling, and I almost got away with just a one coater, but it's not quite a one coater, so we got to put another one on. But I really enjoyed the aspect that the nail polish bottle is like a corally pink, and the nail polish is a corally pink too. It's not like a different once you paint it on your nails. You know what I mean? Like you get a bottle of nail polish, you think it's that color, and then you paint it on your nails and it's a different color. It's kind of like misleading, but this wasn't very misleading at all. I feel like that the color matches the bottle so well. These duo packs of the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, where you buy a nail polish and you also buy the top coat, they come in a bunch of different colors, but I picked this one, Piggy Pink, this one, because I feel like it's like a summer color. Doesn't this look like a summer color to you? It would be perfect for watermelon nail art. That's what it's giving me, watermelon vibes. So I definitely wanted to pick a summer shade, and let me tell you, this is a summer shade. Now I'm putting on the second coat, and I got it fully opaque in two coats. I like when nail polishes are fully opaque in two coats, because I usually do about 2 coats of nail polish, and I really like that aspect of it. Do you guys own any of the Miracle Gel nail polish line from Sally Hansen? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I actually own one other Miracle Gel polish, other than, of course, this one, and it was not my favorite, so I kind of wanted to buy another one and redeem the line, because every time I thought of the Miracle Gel Sally Hansen nail polish, I thought of that, and I did not like that nail polish at all. But I definitely really like this one, and look, it was fully opaque in 2 coats. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the top coat now, and let me say, this top coat, okay, I actually had this top coat before, and I really liked it, and I really wanted to buy it again, because even though this is not a gel top coat, you don't need a light or anything, it's just a normal top coat, it is a thick, glossy top coat. I really like it. It's a good thick top coat, and that's one of the reasons why I bought this duo, because I was like, oh, I gotta get some more Sally Hansen Miracle Gel top coat, and I was like, wait, you know what, I'm gonna get another color to redeem the nail polish line for me, since I've only had one. And if you watch my nail polish collection tag video, you know what Sally Hansen nail polish I'm talking about. Alright, after I applied a coat of my top coat, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil to moisturize my cuticles and my skin. Also, the Miracle Gel top coat is a fast drying top coat. Now, it's not the most fastest drying top coat that I've ever had, if that makes sense, but it does dry fast, so I like that aspect of it. Alright, there is 2 coats of Pretty Piggy plus the Miracle Gel top coat, and I really like the color. I really think that it was self-leveling, and the brush is also very nice. The color is a corally pink, and I think it's perfect for summertime, like watermelon. The top coat was very nice and glossy, so I definitely recommend this nail polish and, of course, top coat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you liked it, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!